It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 Buick Envision Essence with the Sport Touring Package. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Envision. The driver's door has power locks, the programmable memory seat, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, and the power liftgate button where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have some lighting controls and dials, carpeted floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a leather interior. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. OnStar up above. Next is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. It's asking me to buckle before I shift into reverse here. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, the electronic precision shifting. Here we have auto stop start, hill descent control, lane departure alert, traction control, park assist, and just below the cup holders we have our various drive modes. So if we push those buttons, it will appear on our dash. We've got all-wheel drive, sport mode, off-road mode, and tour. At the front of the Envision we have LED headlamps, 20-inch black aluminum wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood, front and rear sport bumpers. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, black roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless access, so as long as you have the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, the rear window wiper, and the hands-free power programmable liftgate. I'm going to use the key fob here, open up that liftgate by pushing the button twice. In the trunk, we've got plenty of cargo storage space, cargo netting, a cargo shade, LED lights, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment with a spare tire located down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has the heated rear seats, the rear fans. We also have some USB and USB-C plug-ins down below. Carpeted floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're also able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 Buick Envision Essence with the Sport Touring Package, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.